Are you speeding the energy transition? Here at the Clean Power Hour, our host Tim Montague bring you the best in solar, batteries, and clean technologies every week. Want to go deeper into decarbonization? We do too. We're here to help you understand and command the commercial, residential, and utility, solar, wind, and storage industries. So let's get to it. Together we can speed the energy transition.
The Clean Power Hour is brought to you by CPS America, maker of North America's #1 three-phase string inverter, with over 8 gigawatts shipped in the U.S. The CPS product lineup includes string inverters ranging from 25 kW to 350 kW. Their flagship inverter, the CPS 350 kW, is designed to work with solar plants ranging from 2 megawatts to 2 gigawatts. CPS is the world's most bankable inverter brand and is America's #1 choice for solar plants, now offering solutions for commercial, utility, ESS, and balance of system requirements. Go to chintpowersystems.com or call 855-584-7168 to find out more. Today on the Clean Power Hour, I'm welcoming back an old guest, Dan Leary, and we're talking with a partner of his, Portside Systems, who is a technology integrator for Denowatts. We're at RE Plus Boston, talking with a lot of technology companies here that are speeding the energy transition. So let's get into the conversation. Welcome back, Dan. It's great to see you.
You too, Tim.
How are things going at Denowatts?
Denowatts has been very busy. We're growing our base. We're offering new services. We've just added in an important new accredited test, which is the energy test. So this is our whole concept of energy accounting, which is the generally accepted accounting gap for solar. We're bringing standardized reporting to the industry. So we've continued to build our core technology and offer ISO-accredited services.
Very cool. And I know you as a company that works a lot in the community and small utility space. Has that changed at all for you in the last couple of years?
We're supporting projects 200 kilowatts to 500 megawatts now.
Nice.
So
full spectrum.
We can scale up and we can scale down.
Yeah. Excellent. And Marc Bamberger, welcome to the show. Tell us a little bit about Portside and how did you meet Dan?
Definitely. So Portside Systems is a small integrations company that's located in Portsmouth, New Hampshire. We've worked with Dan for a couple of years now, installing the Denowatts systems on solar sites throughout the state of Maine. So we've gotten to know his product line, his offerings, and his capabilities, along with our site services. We decided to kind of move up to the next level and offer our own DAS product line. And that's kind of what we brought to this convention today, is showing everyone that we have the ability to build these DAS systems, integrate them, commission them, and work with the Denowatts team to get the data back to you so you can do the analytics you need for your solar site. And
were you working in the solar industry before you met Dan?
Correct.
Okay.
Dan and I actually worked across the hall together back in North Andover 10, 15 years ago. So we go way back, but then I moved on, and then here we are again, come back together to kind of bring a new product line to the industry.
Okay, cool. Well, I'm just curious, what are your thoughts about the way the industry has changed in the last 5 years?
So we were extremely busy in the last couple of years with the main CMP DG market that really spooled up. We've seen that kind of take a little decline in the last year, but we're seeing other states start this program up. I know we're talking about New York and Pennsylvania and Maryland starting. So,
what is CMP?
Central Maine Powers.
Ah.
Yeah, so most of our work is in the Maine territory right now. We're based out of New Hampshire, so it was a little, it's convenient. But now we're probably going to be spreading our wings a little further and moving to some other states.
Yeah.
But we're seeing some great things all around.
And what is it that makes this partnership work?
So, since we've done so many installs on these DAS systems, really learned about some of the issues that we've seen on some of the product lines out there. And our idea is to go from an installer's perspective on how to get these installed quicker, faster, and cheaper. Partnering with the Denowatts system, they use a lot of Zigbee communication, so we don't have to run conduits throughout the field into the center of the solar site to get our pyranometer data back. but rather we just put these sensors out in the field. They all talk to a central pad location. It's within a couple of days you have a whole DAS system running. So efficiency is number one, and when you're working in harsh environments in northern Maine or in the winter, it's important to have an easy install.
And it's done right the first time. And this is what really drew me to be working with Marc's team more. The typical recipe is get a turnkey monitoring package. It arrives with an electrical outfit, and the next thing you know, you have a thing that needs to be untangled. But when you start with an integrator who says, hey, there's a better way of doing this, we add in our core technology to ingest data and do testing and things like that, it gets done right the first time, because Marc's team builds the box, they show up with it, they commission it, we work with them through the capacity testing, and it's just been a seamless project. So this is a recipe we've been building for the last couple of years. It works really well. I think this is the future.
And before Marc came along, it was being done more piecemeal in the field?
Correct. So, and Dan could probably better explain this. So he would essentially ship his parts to another company, and they would put it in their DAS equipment, and he would read their communication strings for what he can and what information he can get. But it really was tough, because if he wanted to get all the site information, maybe he wasn't able to just by the system architecture and how it was laid out. So having the Denowatts system be the central processor and really lets his analytics fly.
Very cool. Anything else you want our listeners to know about you or Denowatts?
Definitely. Feel free to reach out to Portside Systems or Denowatts to get some more information on this. And we're happy to field calls or do some custom builds.
And is that your URL, portsidesystems.com?
Portsidesys.com.
Very good. And how can people find you, Dan?
Denowatts.com.
It's not hard.
It's real easy. And we work with folks all around the U.S. So we work with other integration partners and O&M companies and IPPs. So it's very exciting to be working with people that really are good at what they do and can get the job done.
Excellent. I'm Tim Montague. Check out all of our content at cleanpowerhour.com. Please give us a rating and a review on Apple or Spotify. Connect with me on LinkedIn. And with that, let's grow solar and storage. Thanks, guys.
Thank you.
The Clean Power Hour is brought to you by CPS America, maker of North America's #1 three-phase string inverter, with over 8 gigawatts shipped in the U.S. The CPS product lineup includes string inverters ranging from 25 kW to 350 kW. Their flagship inverter, the CPS 350 kW, is designed to work with solar plants ranging from 2 megawatts to 2 gigawatts. CPS is the world's most bankable inverter brand and is America's #1 choice for solar plants, now offering solutions for commercial, utility, ESS, and balance of system requirements. Go to chintpowersystems.com or call 855-584-7168 to find out more.